Or what? Alright, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Vinland Saga Volumes 3 and 4. As you can see, I've already got Volumes 1 and 2 right here of Vinland Saga. I've done an unboxing of them already, and I'll leave a link in the description. So yeah, let's get into this. Hopefully this is Volume 3 and not Volume 4. But yeah, let's go ahead. Damn. This cover looks insane. I like the colour of this one. But yeah, this is Vinland Saga Volume 3. A bloody coming of age. As you can see, you got Torvin here. Oh, this looks unbelievable. I really like this. Like, as you can see the sunset in the background. That's a really nice cover, that. I want to look into the book, but I'm scared in case I give anyone spoilers. Take a look at this page here. Yeah, I won't go into it in case I get spoilers or anything. But yeah, there's Volume 3. Put that there. I'm really liking the manga. I've seen season 1, but that was a while ago. And I've been trying to rewatch some of it. And I've got up to close enough to just before Volume 2 in the season 1 anime. But yeah, I need to watch more of season 1. But anyways, this is Volume 4. That's so satisfying. There we have Ashalad on the front cover here. There's the spine. Here's the back. A king is born. That's cool as. I don't want to like flick through some of the pages because I'm not sure if like people find that spoilery or not. I'll let you take a look at this picture here. But yeah, I'm really enjoying the manga at the moment. I've only read up to book 2, and obviously in the anime I'm just below book 2. I've obviously watched the full season 1, but I'm rewatching it just to kind of like remember all the stuff that's happened. And yeah, I've been watching season 2 as well, and I'm loving it right now. It's more of a character development in season 2, I find. Not that much action, but still, I love the character development in it. Obviously, the songs, the start song and ending song is just insane. Put that there. But yeah, I can't wait to read volumes 3 and 4. And yeah, that's been an unboxing of volumes 3 and 4 Vinland Saga. After I've read these two, I will do an unboxing of volumes 5 and 6. If they're available to get, because sometimes it is hard to try and purchase them online because I've run out of print and stuff. But yeah, hope you liked that unboxing, and I'll be doing some more. Like if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more, and yeah, take care.